See, today we'll learn how to build the website. Okay, how to build website. So we don't have to code for the website. Okay, we don't have to code for the website.
Alright, let's break down the Flex AI website building feature. The idea is that you can just type a single line in. The website, your landing page, is ready to go. But it's as if the world's top marketers, best copywriters, and leading designers all teamed up to build this website and landing page for you. And all you have to do is type just one line, or maybe even more if you want. So, throughout this entire course, we're going to explain everything step by step. Just to give you an example, this was actually a demo I did yesterday. So, for a doctor, I believe in this case. So if you look here, this was the property. A long-form appointment booking page for a dentist. The dentist's name is here, based in indoor and, also admin sections. So this is the page that was generated, and of course, you'll need to add the image and everything else here. Like I said, in this whole course I'll be showing you everything, right? So with just this simple prompt, the whole website is ready. And it goes live on the internet on your own domain, of course, so we'll go through the entire process. Let me show you one more example. By the way, you can even give the prompt in any other language. For example, this one was about weight loss. And if you
See
look,
how
this is the
we
page
can
that was
build a
generated,
AI website.
right?
How we can build
So
a
it's
website
totally up
without
to
a
you.
coding.
The link of the prompt.
If you
Number one thing is what exactly you want,
if you like the
So we'll
content,
discuss. We'll go over everything in complete.
see if you like the content about digital marketing, and today we are learning how to build a website without coding. So if you like the content, please subscribe the channel so that any content when we are live you can get the notification. आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल सकता है अगर आप सब्सक्राइब रहोगे चैनल के साथ, तभी आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगा. हम लोग आज सीख रहे हैं हाउ टू बिल्ड अ वेबसाइट थ्रू AI.
Let me see if I can show you. Let's see. Let's check this one out. Sure. So this one, if you notice, was just 2 words. Astrology webinar, right? And then this appeared. And if you look, there's some animations and things that are really, really special. Very nicely done. So we'll break down this whole structure. Now let's get back to it. We'll understand this entire structure. What exactly this feature is, how it works, and all the little details. So we'll go through them step by step.
ये फ्री है डिजिटल का मार्केटिंग क्लासेस. आप इसको इजीली अटेंड करो, कोई चार्जेस नहीं है.
First of all, update me very quickly whether you are able to see my screen. Let me know very quickly. Type 1, okay. And see, we have to move along very quick. So I will be going through a demo because I have a hard stop at around 7:20. So we need to cover. But the demo is like very quick and short and easy to understand. So I think we will be sorted. Okay, so screen is visible to everybody. Good. Okay, so just ensure that Google, like Zoom, has now started giving tabs like Google Chrome. So anybody is not able to see the screen, just go to Zoom window and then you will be able to see my screen. Okay, so that way you can start seeing it. Okay, so we have 2 parts of AI releases. Okay, and I will just explain and then we'll go into what to use, how to use, and all of that stuff, okay? And I will share this document with you after the session, okay? So there are 2 parts of AI releases. One is AI website building. You can call it AI website building, and you can also call it AI, let's say, landing page building. So it is going to take care of both. ठीक है, तो आपका AI से वेबसाइट भी बन जाएगा, लैंडिंग पेजेस भी बन जाएगा, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट यू जस्ट नीड टू टाइप वन लाइन. ठीक है, सो आप वन लाइन डालोगे एंड योर AI के थ्रू वेबसाइट बनना एंड लैंडिंग पेज बनना विल बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. ठीक है, दैट इज वन थिंग. This is something that we have not yet made live for the customers. It is going to go live on 1st May. But I will still do a quick demo for all of you today itself. Okay? That is first thing. Second thing is, which is like
सी वी आर लर्निंग, आज हम लोग सीख रहे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में हाउ टू बिल्ड वेबसाइट, एआई वेबसाइट. ओके, ये वेबसाइट आप किसी के लिए बना सकते हो, एनी बिजनेस पर्सन के लिए बना सकते हो फॉर मार्केटिंग. ओके, आपको अगर और ज़्यादा सीखना है कैसे बनाते हैं हम लोग, शुड बी इन द चैनल. एंड आप सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को, ताकि इसके जो भी लाइव क्लासेस होते हैं, एवरीडे वी आर लाइव, जब भी लाइव क्लासेस हम लोग कर रहे हैं, everybody can get the notification.
say, going to be your daily usage thing, and that is, see, when it comes down to your online business, ultimately what matters is ultimately two things. Number one, you need to setting up your online business, right? जिसमें कि आपने सारी चीज़ों को ऑनलाइन सेटअप कर दिया and all the sales and everything can start happening. And second thing is for the sales to happen consistently, right? So sales to happen regularly. So setting up your online business, इसके लिए what do we need to do is we need to set up our funnel, right? Sales to happen regularly, इसके लिए what do we need to do is for sales to happen regularly, number one, we need to have consistent traffic, right? We need to have consistent website visitors. Traffic means website visitors, and they should be converting. Right, so basically, let's suppose when I mean that when I say that they should be converting, what I mean is, let's suppose, if 100 people are going to your page and 10 people are, let's say, it's a lead generation page, or 10% people are signing up, versus on another page, 100 people are going and let's say 20% people are signing up. So that's double the amount of leads and double the amount of revenue. And that is exactly what I was saying. That we got already.
Today we are doing the digital marketing AI website building. Okay, everybody should subscribe the channel, because every day we are doing live, and we are teaching how to generate a website, how to do marketing, how online marketing, how you can generate your profit, how you can generate your second source of income.
Got one customer success story in which from 10% that guy's page went up to 37%. So that is something which is very powerful. So for sales to happen regularly, it's all about getting more traffic and converting more traffic. Right? Ultimately, this is the main thing. So this is the second part, which is already live in your account. Okay, AI marketing engine. So this is already live in your account. You can already start using it. And it's already available on this URL, which you can see after this session. Okay, just in case you have not seen it yet, you can see after this session. I will be sharing this document with you. So आप इसे अभी session के बाद use कर लेना, ठीक है? No problem. So this is one thing. Now second thing is that अच्छा आप लोग एक काम करो. Let's do it along with me. आप लोग ये जो लिंक है ना अपने Flipkart अकाउंट में लॉग इन कर दो. Let's do it together. So that will be, I believe, a better thing, right? So I can take a 30-second pause, log into your Flipkart account, go into this URL, and let me know when you are ready. So I will pick one customer from the chat itself, and we will do a quick demo using your account. But आप लोग भी अपनी स्क्रीन के साथ साथ करो. ठीक है, so let me know when you are ready. Just put R in the chat box and when you are into this URL. Some of you जो अपने लैपटॉप पे नहीं है, watching it on mobile, it's okay. You can do that later. But most of you who are on your laptops, you can do it along with me. Yeah, so I have given the link in the chat. Okay. Recording we are doing. I will share the recording. Don't worry. ठीक है, so AI marketing का मतलब क्या है? AI marketing engine is basically your complete, let's say think of it, your top copywriter on demand available for you. So just to give you a context, okay, when I'm talking about AI website building and when I'm talking about AI marketing engine, what I actually mean is we have actually trained both of these things with top marketing data, with top copywriting data, with top conversion optimization data. So the thing is, we need to give the information about your product. And that's it. It will do everything for you. आपके ads, आपके emails, आपका promotional content, आपके sales page का content, आपके webinar page का content, going for ये आपके video ad के script, आपका upsell ideas, like there is a lot, like पूरा जो end to end journey है एक new visitor को attract करके उसको customer करने convert करने तक की end to end it is going to take care of everything. So AI website building से your business will go online within a few minutes. And then AI marketing engine will take care of everything for you with respect to marketing and selling your product, right? So that is something which is the whole logic. Okay, so link please, link मैंने यहाँ पे share करा है. So I believe by this time everybody should be ready, and we are good to go, right? So yeah, correct. So I can see a good message coming from Mitali. So she said that it is giving me almost 13 pages to logbook statements. That is the most powerful thing, right? So like you will never be short of ideas anymore. That is the most important thing. Okay, so my screen should be visible, right? So abhi what we will do is let's understand marketing engine from the perspective of how to use it on your accounts. अच्छा जैसे अजय आपका मैसेज आया सर I'm a beginner. अजय देखो आप beginner हो लेकिन कल की डेट में आपको या तो अपना प्रोडक्ट सेल करना होगा कभी ना कभी या फिर आपको मे बी इन जस्ट अ फ्यू डेज फ्रॉम नाउ क्लाइंट के साथ अगर आप वर्क करोगे तो उसके प्रोडक्ट को सेल करना होगा. अल्टीमेटली मार्केटिंग तो सीखनी ही पड़ेगी ना कि कैसे सेलिंग वगैरह के लिए मार्केटिंग के एड्स पेज कॉपी ये सब हाउ टू डू इट. सो अभी और सीखने से ज़्यादा करनी पड़ेगी. तो सीखने का काम यही नहीं कर लिया है. आप बस ये देखो कि करना कैसे है. सो जितने भी बिगिनर है जिनके पास मान लो कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं है कोई सर्विस नहीं है आप अपने दिमाग में कुछ भी अज्यूम कर लो कि आप किसी क्लाइंट के साथ वर्क कर रहे हो. मे बी आप किसी वेट लॉस क्लाइंट के साथ वर्क कर रहे हो. मे बी लेट्स सपोज आप किसी लेट्स से लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कोच के साथ वर्क कर रहे हो. जस्ट एन एग्जांपल मे बी आप कोई मैथमेटिक्स टीचर के साथ वर्क कर रहे हो. जिनको कभी राइट. सो एटलीस्ट यू कैन डू प्रैक्टिस. ठीक है क्लियर है. We are going to be sharing the recording, don't worry about it, okay? So, first thing is we are going to create a customer profile. Acha, please do this. People who are right over here, can you give me something to pick from? Like what is your business? And I can pick from that. ठीक है, Nidhi, your message came first, so I'm gonna pick this message, okay? So Nidhi mentioned memory coaching for kids and adults through memory techniques and brain gym exercises. Maybe आपको मेरे को चीज़ें समझानी पड़ेगी. ठीक है क्योंकि इतना सब मेरी मेमोरी में तो फिट नहीं होएगा तो आपको समझाना पड़ेगा मेमोरी कोचिंग फॉर किड्स. Because you have memory coaching for 33-year-olds. Let me know if you have anything like that. So profile name memory coaching for kids. Okay, who is your target audience? What should I put over here? So people, in your target audience, you need to put. अच्छा बाकी everybody, please don't put any messages. I just want to talk to Nidhi, and so that I can create the customer profile, and all of you can start doing the same thing in your own account. ठीक है? So target audience में what do we need to do? Nidhi, target audience में क्या लिखूँ? जैसे आपने लिखा memory coaching for kids and adults through memory techniques. मतलब who is your target audience? Specifically, if you can tell me about that. Let's suppose अगर मैं टूथपेस्ट के लिए अगर कस्टमर प्रोफाइल बना रहा हूँ तो मैं वहाँ पे लिखूँगा पीपल विद पेन इन देयर टूथ. राइट. सो दैट कैन बी वन ऑफ माय टारगेट ऑडियंस. अगर मैं फ्लेक्सिबल के लिए बना रहा हूँ तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि यू नो कोचेस आर माय. सो यहाँ पे मैं क्या लिखूँ? हु इज द टारगेट ऑडियंस. Will this be available for me one? Prince, it is already available. I shared the link. It's already available. You can start using it right now. Use it along with me. Okay, Nidhi, are you there? Let me know quickly. What should I put over here? Maybe I'm
Guys,
unmuting you,
subscribe
okay?
the
So that
channel
will
so that
be
you can
easier.
get the everyday live classes.
Yeah, can you try and speak? Hi, sir. So how are you?
Guys,
Yeah,
subscribe the
okay.
channel so that every day
I'm
you
good.
can
Thank you so
get the
much.
live
Please tell me.
classes
Yeah,
of
so
digital
target audience,
marketing.
what exactly should be putting? I'm basically targeting students who are studying, like in school, but otherwise it is for all ages, starting from 4 till 18 years.
Guys,
Okay,
subscribe the
but who
channel so
exactly
that
need
every
your
day you can
services?
get these
People
classes
who are studying,
for
so
free.
people who are
For
learners,
free.
students, basically. So that will be my target audience.
Guys, subscribe the channel.
Okay. So students and any specific students, let's say school, college, anything, school going students, basically. Yeah. Okay. School going students. Who is your target audience? School going students. Okay.
Guys, subscribe the channel so that you
Um.
can learn every day.
Uh.
Digital marketing classes are going
Okay.
on.
Okay. Our product is designed to help them with learning techniques to learn anything faster and save time. Uh, Basically to memorize anything faster. देखो पहले तो हमें ये लिखना पड़ेगा our product is memory coaching for kids. Right, that is the most important thing.
We are doing a promotion
So अभी
of
profile name, by the way, this profile name
of
is
a
something which
client
is just for you.
live
Okay, so
project.
so you need to mention to our AI what exactly your product is doing. Okay, so first thing is you need to mention over here. So our product is memory coaching for kids, and it helps them to sharpen their memory and learn anything faster and achieve excellence in academics. Memory, learn anything faster and
If you have any
excel
question how to go
in
about this website and all,
academics.
I'll help you out.
Okay,
Ask any
fine.
question if you have.
Okay, so should we only, okay, school students only we are mentioning, no? So we will not talk about any competitive exams or anything over here. No, it's for competitive exams also. So that's why it's from 4 till 18 years. So we train them even for national championship and world memory championships as well, and for any of the entrance exams. Okay. So that they can excel in academics and competition exams. Alright? Yeah. Okay. What are the customer pain points? They spend hours in memorizing stuff and stress, get stressed with the academics. Plus, they keep spending money on tuitions, hefty amount every single month. So these are the pain points. And still suffer with low grades.
Good, good. You can change your laptop. And please subscribe the channel for everyday live classes of digital marketing.
See, you can go detail over here, right? And maybe, with respect to your product and services, you can add even more stuff. But I guess we are good to go. We have given enough information as of now, okay? So our product is going to building good. Maybe by right now, our product is maybe is going to happen already. And it is after it's guidance already. Okay, so let me know everybody doing this along with me. Have you done this step? Have you done this step? So with respect to your business, you need to ensure that you put the target audience, your product, what exactly it does, and how exactly it helps, and what are the customer pain points. Okay, so you need to put that. Once again, please remember this, that this profile name is just for you to understand what is the profile, okay? So this thing is not going to our AI. So everything AI has to understand with the help of these three questions, okay? That is
How
something which is
we are
important.
using AI to
And
generate
Anupriya
pages,
says not yet completed.
websites, and
Just do
everything.
very quickly. Okay, just do very quickly.
Guys, subscribe the
Okay, so I'm
channel.
gonna click on create profile. Okay, so yes, let's keep going along. No, Mary Joseph, let's keep going along with me. So for your weight loss and everybody is sitting over here, let's keep going. Okay, so see, it will take around 1 to 2 minutes for the profile to get created. So basically what is happening is, let's suppose, see, you are an expert in your field, right? All of you, and you know your stuff. But our AI does not know your stuff, right? So first step is that you are giving information about what your product is, who your customer is, how do you help them, what exactly do you help them in, and let's say why are they stuck, what are they stuck with. So all of that information you give to them, give to our AI with the help of this. And once you have given this information, then our AI understands your customer and then it will can do something about your product, about your services. Okay, so this is the logic. So it is going to create the customer profile. In the meantime, let me also show you the website creation, AI website creation. Right? How many of you have not seen this yet? Let me type 0. Those of you who have not seen the AI website creation yet. Okay, so I will show all of you over here as well. Just to note, okay, just to note that AI website creation अभी आपके अकाउंट में live नहीं है, okay? It is not yet live in your accounts. So we'll be making it live very soon. And on 1st of May, that is the target. And only then you will be able to use it. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a quick demo of it right now. The team is still working behind the scenes. So you know, just that if something goes wrong, so it's still in the demo phase. Okay. So let me take something from the chat itself. Simple says taking time. Yeah. We are understanding your customer, so it will take time, right? So it will take at least 1-2 minutes easily. Okay. So from the chat itself, let me take something else. For whom should I create a website? Let me know.
Anybody want to create a live website? Please ping.
Good. Vicky says my profile is created. Okay, no problem. We'll come back to you. Okay. Okay, nice. So I will probably pick this. Chahat, one of the users, has mentioned wedding planners. So probably I'm gonna pick the wedding planner. Okay. So I want a website for my wedding planning business. Okay. My name is Chahat Khurana. We are based in, just putting randomly, New Delhi. Okay. We have helped, yeah, okay, we have already arranged to 50 plus.
Guys, subscribe the channel to get the live classes every day.
And what else? For my website.
Yes, we are doing the website. How to build website.
I will say, okay, let's do this. Create an appointment booking website for me. Okay. And let's say you can say something like put first fold and what benefits, testimonials about us, multiple CTAs, okay, and what else? Let's say with us, without us. Like what do you want in your website? So you can put all of that information. Let's suppose if you do not put any of this, then also it's good. It will create a website for you. Okay, and also think what the section will and value and add the section. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे हम लोग wedding planner की website को डाल देते हैं. So it will start happening behind the scenes. And if you will see over here, the AI marketing engine is ready for use. And basically customer profile has been created for memory coaching for kids. अभी तक आप लोगों का भी customer profile create हो गया होगा. Let me know. This is the link, by the way. How many of you can see your customer profile has been created? Still creating? Okay, fine. Some of you it is still creating. Okay. And done. Okay. So I can see your mixtures. Okay. So for some of you it's done. For some of you it's still getting created. Okay, fine. It will take time and it will be done. Yes, these are done. Clear. Okay, fine. Only AI sales copy and AI webinar copy links are there. Abhilek, just focus on what we are doing right now. Okay, just do not focus on anything else. Okay, fine. So, let's create a task. Okay, so memory coaching promotion. Okay, so campaign name is again going to be internal. Okay, that's the first step. Then you pick the profile. So in this case, I'm picking memory coaching for kids. See, if you will see that
Guys, subscribe the channel for live digital marketing classes. As we are live and we are learning how to build website. आज हम लोग सीख रहे हैं वेबसाइट कैसे बना सकते हैं थ्रू AI and easily you can generate it within a one prompt. So it is a free, absolutely free classes which we are teaching. If you have any question, you can write down how to do it, how to access the software and everything. You can write down the question. I've already given a link. You can generate a website for any business user, and you can earn your website making charges. Okay, the website making charges are very high in the market. You can easily earn your second source of income, or first, if anybody wants to do digital marketing full time, you can earn your income. Okay, so we concentrate what we are teaching right now.
if you are somebody who is a freelancer, who is an agency, you might have multiple clients. So you will be able to create multiple profiles, right? So memory coaching for kid in this case, and maybe I want a webinar page copy. So there are multiple tasks that it is going to do for you, like pre-webinar reminder emails, sales emails, ad copies, a webinar page, and multiple stuff. So Abhi, let's as a first step, let's suppose if I have to help you take your business online, as a first step, I will be creating your webinar page copy, right? So that is the first thing. So webinar page copy, let's create that. The name of the host of the webinar is Nidhi Kapoor. Nidhi, if what would you answer to this question? Can we add multiple? Of course you can add multiple. So Nidhi, what would be the answer to this? Why should your audience believe that you can help them achieve the results? Because we've already done that with hundreds of students, and my kids have created world record, and it has even got gold, silver, and bronze medals at the World Memory Championship. So we have thousands of participants with that. Our kids have created multiple world records, and they have won multiple gold and silver medals, and let's say Olympiads, just an example. Okay, webinar show up bonus, if there is any, let's explore. See, if you have a webinar show up bonus, you can put that, but if you will see, it's not a mandatory question, so I'm going to skip this. Okay, the good thing is, if you are going to skip this, our AI will generate a webinar show up bonus for you. Okay. Is it a free or a paid webinar? It's free. Okay. So, what is that webinar bonus? Webinar bonus is basically marriage users. Let's suppose when you do webinars, you can put a bonus for people to attend the webinar. That hey, when you will attend my webinar, I will give you this ebook for free. I will give you this cheat sheet for free. Something. So that will increase the show up of your webinar. So basically, for that purpose. Deepak Sharma says, what if they are not conducting webinars? Deepak, it's totally up to you, right? See, the marketing engine will do multiple tasks for you. It's creating ads, it's creating emails, it's creating video ads, it's creating WhatsApp messages. Right now I'm doing a demo. In that demo I'm showing you webinar page copy. Like you can do anything. You will be creating something, right? Maybe webinar page is not there, then maybe you will be having appointment booking page, call booking page, maybe a sales page, something you will be doing, right? Something you would be doing. So I would suggest, by the way, one more thing, that you can be very smart over here, and when you are creating any kind of page, let's suppose you want to create a sales page. Okay, just an example, you want to create a sales page. Even if you want to create a sales page,
anybody who will be there till the end will answer all the question if you put in the chat box. Already I have put a link to ask a question. Okay, learn the whole campaign, how we are doing, how we are generating the website. Okay, in within 15 minutes the website will be ready.
create using the sales page copy generation
please
task.
and please subscribe the channel so that you can every day you can get the live classes which we are doing for digital marketing for free. Okay, this is a this is a paid courses, but we are doing digital marketing for free. So our mission is to so that you can subscribe the channel so that the channel reach will go and everybody can learn.
Okay, that is first thing. At the same time, you also create using the webinar copy generation task. उससे भी क्रिएट कर लो क्योंकि ऐसा हो सकता है कि सपोज इन द सेल्स की पेज कॉपी जनरेशन ठीक है पे अटेंशन टू दिस इन द सेल्स पेज कॉपी जनरेशन मे बी जस्ट एन एग्जांपल 12 sections will come and you might like all of them. लेकिन webinar page copy में भी another 5 or 6 sections will come and you might like 1 or 2 sections over there. तो मे बी उसका कंटेंट भी आपने यहाँ पे उठा के डाल दिया, मे बी उसका मैसेज भी आपने यहाँ पे उठा के डाल दिया उस सेक्शन का. मेक सेंस. तो आपको तो अल्टीमेटली कन्वर्टिंग पेज कॉपी चाहिए ना कि लोग जब आपके पेज पे आए तो वो कन्वर्ट होना चाहिए. सो क्रिएट द पेज कॉपी यूजिंग एवरी मीडियम दैट वी हैव गिवन टू यू, राइट. सो सेल्स पेज कॉपी, वेबिनार पेज कॉपी एंड जो सेक्शन आपको समझ में आए उनको यूज कर लो, राइट. एंड अभी कॉल बुकिंग पेज कॉपी भी आएगा यहाँ पे जल्दी, अपॉइंटमेंट पेज कॉपी भी आएगा यहाँ पे. सो यूज ऑल ऑफ दैट, राइट. Okay, it is showing created avatar. Good. So now you can do some kind of task. Okay, please share me the link for website generation. Website generation task is not like a website generation product we have not yet given to anybody
See
yet.
how
Okay.
the website is
By the way, the
created.
website is ready.
See,
It was pretty quick, by the way. Yeah, have a look at this. Limited time offer, 20% off on bookings made this month. Call now. So I was telling you one thing, right? What did I tell you earlier? That our AI that we have developed is, it understands marketing, it understands copywriting, and it understands conversion optimization. And when I'm talking about our website builder, AI website builder, it's also a very good definer. So if you will see, right at the top of the page, it has ensured that there is urgency. 20% off on booking made this month. Because we, all of us, we understand this, and you need to understand this, कि urgency brings sales. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले urgency डाल दी है. And then there are other sections that are supposed to be here. Creating magical wedding moments in New Delhi with 50% successful weddings. We transform your dreams into reality. Book your free consultation, right? So the call to action is highlighted. And the best part is कि आपका जो website बन के आ रहा है, have a look at this. your website जो आपका बन के आ रहा है, उस website में let's suppose अभी images यहाँ पे नहीं है, लेकिन it is telling you what kind of images to put over here. So our AI, it understands the marketing, it understands the sections, it understands the content, and it is telling you what kind of image to put over here. That is the best part. So, and by the way, going forward, within let's suppose in another 2 months, we are expecting that it is also going to put the image and it is also going to create the image for you. So the website is going to come with image. So that is also something that we are going to be doing. But right now, step by step. Alright, have a look at this. 250 plus weddings planned, 98% satisfied couples, 12 plus year experience, 50 plus premium venues. If you will see, none of these things is provided by us. Everything has come by itself. YG the wedding planning services, end-to-end planning, from venue selection to farewell ceremony, we manage every detail, so you can focus on enjoying a special day. Budget optimization, we work within your budget constraints while maximizing value and creating unforgettable experiences. Personalized themes, customized wedding themes that reflect your personality, cultural preferences and unique love story. Vendor management, studying photography, stress-free experience, the Chahat Dorana difference with us. Professional coordination of all vendors and timelines. See, if you will see, it understands marketing. So for all the positive pointers, it has given the green tick. And for all the negative pointers, it has given the red tick. Right? Endless hours spent researching and negotiating overwhelming coordination of multiple vendors, stress and anxiety for you and your family, and all of that good stuff. And happy couple enjoying their wedding, stressed couple managing multiple phone calls. Right? It is amazing, right? Our wedding gallery. So you will put the wedding gallery, you will put the images, right? What our couples say, Chad and our team made our wedding absolutely magical. Every detail was perfectly executed and we did not have to worry about a thing. From a stunning decor to seamless coordination.
see,
everything exceeded our expectation.
you can see how easily the website got generated. वेबसाइट कितने इजीली जनरेट हो गया. ठीक है. if you are liking this course, subscribe the channel so that every day you can see the live video of new content. Okay. Yesterday we were studying automation. Today we are studying about how to build a website.
And then there are multiple testimonials if you will see, right? About Chahat Durana, then a description and her professional image, and our planning process, by the way, how look at this. First we do consultation, then we give you a proposal, then we do planning, then we do execution, and the whole process has been fully explained. Book your free consultation, schedule my consultation, frequently asked questions with proper detailing. How far in advance should I book your services? With the answers. And then we need to plan your dream wedding, book your free consultation, and everything is right over here. Okay. I'm going to ask you for the feedback for this, okay? But I'm going to ask you for the feedback in, I say, what stage this is. Ready? Then. Okay, I'm giving you the link. Let me know what do you think about the AI website builder that is coming right over here. So I'll give you the Facebook group link. Let me know the quick feedback about this right over here, and we'll take 30 seconds for that, and then we'll continue with the session. So please create one funnel of 1 day yoga session, and I will get proposal to client in Singapore. Oh, you have everything right now with you. We have given you the full product. Build it yourself. Right? So, yeah, would love to know your feedback about this. Anurag says my customer profile is still creating. It can be the case, because, if you will see, like hundreds of people are using it simultaneously at one go. And like if you know and if you understand this, that we just released this feature 3 days back. So, 100 people or maybe right now I would say 400 people using it simultaneously. So it can cause that delay, probably. It might fail also, it can also happen. But again, just don't worry about it, okay? Just use it after 5 minutes, just use it after 10 minutes. So it will happen. Anisha says mine is finally created. So yeah. Oh, okay. One second. Are you talking, Ravindra Gautam, are you talking about the AI marketing engine, is it? No, Ravindra Gautam, you are going to the wrong direction. Okay. Let's focus on the session, Ravindra. You watch the replay after this, okay? And by the way, let me show you some other websites that were also created. How look at this. Transform your body in just 30 days for the weight loss. By thousands of Indians are reading about this magical formula, how magic weight loss that provides you the help. So all of this is like fully done via AI. So, and again, like I said, we are still, yet to release this whole thing for you. And by the way, there is some yoga page also over here that was created. Yeah, find your balance with Zen Flow Yoga and transform your life. So yeah, whatever kind of page you need. Shishir is asking, does it need any AI token at all? We have given you these tokens. So, some of you would not be there in our earlier sessions. So for the marketing engine, for all the Flexify customers, we have included 10k words per month. Okay, for all the future customers, in fact, all the existing customers, we have included 30k words per month. 30k is a lot of money, a lot of words that you can generate per month. And this is for the first 6 months. And for next 6 months, we have included 20k words per month. So this much amount of words you can generate absolutely free of cost, right? And abhi 1 minute तक तो हमने unlimited करा हुआ है, so you can keep on using it without any issues. After that, your word count and everything will be starting. That is first thing. After that, after 1 year, you will have 10k words per month inclusive. Okay, and all the future customers, जो अभी हमारा ये का प्रोमो भी चल रहा है, अभी जितने लोग टेक्नोलॉजी को बाय करेंगे until 4th of May, in fact 27th April, तो उनको भी अभी क्रेडिट बढ़ के मिल रहे हैं, so that is also there. So yeah, but all the future users also will be getting 10k words per month. And for website also, for all the existing customers, we have included 1 million tokens per website. So वो marketing engine का हो गया, website ये website का 1 million token. So 1 million token का मतलब ये है जैसे अभी जो ये वाली website अभी हमने build करा है यहाँ पे wedding planner वाला. So this kind of website, it will take about probably hundreds, 1 लाख से लेके 1.5 लाख token के आसपास, max to max. So ऐसी 7-8 websites can easily be built. या फिर अगर long sales pages you are building, then 5 can easily be built. So that is something that we have included for you already. Can we customize it? Of course you can customize it. That is the main point. So we are also working on the future. कि अभी जैसे let's suppose, for example, if you will see in this section, a website building, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 benefits that are covered. But let's suppose we want more benefits. Let's suppose we want 9 benefits, 12 benefits. So you will be able to chat. Okay, can you give me uh, 12 benefits in the benefit section? And then it will add the benefits for you. Or let's suppose you want this background color to be blue in color, or you want the whole screen to be changed. So whatever. So you will be able to chat over here, and you will be, by chatting you will be able to build. And then once you are satisfied with what you have created, then you will click on deploy. And after deploying, ये आपके फ्लेक्सिबल्स के एडिटर पे आ जाएगा. और फ्लेक्सिबल्स के एडिटर पे आने के बाद तो फिर आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Then you don't have any problem on it. Right? So Mayank is asking, can we edit manually? Yes, you can. So please pay attention. पहले AI will be building it for you, and AI के साथ you will be able to chat, and you will be able to get everything done. Once you are happy, satisfied, then click on deploy, and वो आपके फ्लेक्सिबल्स के एडिटर पे आ जाएगा. और फ्लेक्सिबल्स के एडिटर पे तो simple drag and drop, just like you have already been doing, you can do that. Right? So that is something which is doable. ये यहाँ पे सबका करने तो है नहीं है, ये तो गलत बात है. यहाँ पे अभी we have more than 400 plus people. Comments से 48 है, कहाँ छुपे हैं सारे बाकी से. It's a next level thing. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is the thing. अच्छा, marketing engine को उन्होंने, let me open in the new tab one more time. I'm looking for the feedback for everybody. Okay, and campaign में जाके maybe maybe we will have to add it again. Just an example. Just can be possible because so many people are using it simultaneously. So we will do it one more time simultaneously. Just to ensure that we have no such issues.
Guys, subscribe the channel for the live classes every day.
अच्छा, let me take care of the demo. अभी those of you are using it all together. Let's stop. ठीक है? So and let me take care of the demo. Okay. In the meantime, I will just ask with Ela also. Let's suppose if so many people using simultaneously has caused any API issues or anything. should be AI website we have not yet made live. Okay, so that is something that we will be making live on 1st May. Yeah, I guess we are hitting the token limit. So basically, not the token limit, basically API request limit. So many people are using simultaneously, that's why. Yes, Sangeeta, no problem. Just see what is happening and at the same time watch the replay, okay? Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So everyone, please pay attention. Okay, so let's stop using it for now. Just to ensure that so many people are not using it simultaneously for so many tasks. So I will be able to complete the demo. So इसमें API request limit rate is always there. So if that is gonna hit, then ultimately it is gonna be dealing. So let's go finish the demo so that I can show you and guide you, and that way I will be able to guide you, and then you can start using it once the session is over and stuff. Okay? Replay will share. Okay? So let me know if the information is clear. Clear है सबको? Just give me a one. And yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the heads up from the team, and then I will continue. Okay. In the meantime, let me what I will do is I will show you some of the things that have already been created, so that you can start having a look at it. And for example, this is called some diabetes reversal coach, and we created the ad hooks. So if I will show you 1 second, inside the campaign, what are all the tasks that it is already doing for you? Number one, pre-webinar की reminder emails and post-webinar की sales emails. ठीक है, so those of you who are doing webinars, you are getting all the emails from here. Similarly, pre-webinar WhatsApp messages and post-webinar WhatsApp messages. You are getting all of that. Similarly, you are getting ad copies. Okay, so the ad copies that you will post on your Instagram or Facebook, you are getting all the ad copies. अच्छा, यहाँ पे you will find style 1 and style 2. So the thing is, for style 1 and style 2, these are two very different style of ad copies. but at the same time, both are proven to convert. Like if I'm a marketer and if I'm a business owner, what I prefer all the time is कि मेरे को जितना ज़्यादा variety मिल सके उतना ज़्यादा मेरे लिए अच्छा है, right? Like anybody who has been marketing, they would agree to the same thing, right? Let me know that yes, if that is the case. So you will be getting a lot of multiple types of ads, multiple angles, multiple hooks, so and with different styles. And from that you will be able to pick. So for example, if you will get the task of let's say ad image one, so it will write at least 10 or 15 different ads for you. So you will not be having any shortage of what kind of ad copies to write. That is number one. Number two is then you have the upsell ideas that if you have created a first level offering and then you want to create upsell for your customers, so it is going to give you the ideas for the upsells. At the same time, the most important part of any landing page conversion is the headline. Whether sales page or webinar page or call booking page, whatever it is, like the most important part is the headline. So we have also given you this as a separate task. You will be able to create the headlines. Ultimately, if you are able to create the headlines, it is going to have the biggest impact on your conversions. Right? We have seen that after multiple testing. In the copywriting world, in the marketing world, what it means is that your headlines has a 80% impact on your landing page and the remaining full content has a 20% impact. So the way it works is ऐसा नहीं है कि जो रिमेनिंग कंटेंट है वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, यस इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, लेकिन हेडलाइन की वजह से पीपल आर गोइंग टू रीड द एंटायर पेज. अगर उनको हेडलाइन कन्विंसिंग नहीं लगी देन दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू गो थ्रू द फुल पेज. So headline has the most importance and then people are going to go through the other content. Okay. So pre and post webinar WhatsApp messages, then the ad hooks, right? So ad hooks because all of you जिन्होंने content create करा है, जिन्होंने ads run करे हैं, you know the first 1 to 2 seconds they are the most important, right? With respect to grabbing the attention of the end user. So it is going to give you the ad hooks which is going to grab the attention and ultimately you will be able to use it. And the best part is that ये जो ad hooks है, you will be able to use these ad hooks for your content also. आप ऐसे अपने content में use करो, ad में use करो, does not matter. Like use them anywhere, right? That is one more thing. Then video ad script. अच्छा by the way, video ad script में भी and ad copy में भी हमने एक और काम करा हुआ है, ठीक है? Please pay attention. In both ad copy and video ad script, when we will give you the video ad copy and video ad script, I will just show you, okay? Have a look at this. So जैसे ये ad copy का इमेज सजेशन है जो कि मैंने एक मेकअप के कैंपेन के लिए निकाला था, ठीक है? एवरीवन पे अटेंशन, ठीक है? बहुत ध्यान से यहाँ पे देखो. सो ad copy जो मैंने यहाँ पे निकाला था एक मेकअप वाले के लिए, ठीक है? मेकअप वाले प्रोडक्ट के लिए. सो if you will see heading the 5-minute makeup secret to be professional while using, ठीक है? It will give you the headline, it will give you another headline, so it will give you 2 headline variations, it will give you the full ad copy and it will give you the full ad copy variation number 2. So every time it will give you 2 variations of the ad copy and along with that it will give you the image suggestion कि इसके साथ आप किस तरीके की इमेज दिखाओ आपके ad में. So it is not just giving you the ad copy, but it is also giving you the image suggestion for it. Right? Is that clear? Let me know. Give me a yes, click yes. And then let me show you something else. So now you no longer have to think कि यार किस तरीके के ad मैं यहाँ पे show करूँ. So basically it is gonna do the ad work for you also. Like आपको पता चल जाएगा कि इस तरीके का ad यहाँ पे create करना चाहिए. However, that is just a suggestion. It's not like it is going to be the proven ad, but yes, it is just a suggestion. Okay?
Guys, subscribe the
यहाँ पे
channel.
रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. मैंने
Subscribe the channel so that you can get the notification of the live classes. Subscribe the channel. There is no harm in subscribing the channel. It does not cost you anything. But we are putting a lot of hard work to teach people free. Okay, it's hard work. It's like very costly thing which you are teaching free. Please subscribe the channel.
एक्चुअली मैं ध्यान इतना मेरा इस पर चला गया कि मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. तो एनीवेज, तो अभी आप एक क्या काम कर सकते हो. इफ यू विल सी, अब जैसे ये एड कॉपी का सजेशन है तो बन के आ गया कि किस तरीके की, देखो एड हेडलाइन आ गया, कॉपी आ गया और इमेज का सजेशन आ गया. ऑल ऑफ यू आर अवेयर कि चैट जीपीटी इज एबल टू प्रोड्यूस इमेजेस. यस, टाइप बाय इन द चैट बॉक्स फॉर यस. ऑल ऑफ यू आर अवेयर दैट चैट जीपीटी इज एबल टू प्रोड्यूस इमेजेस. और आप सिंपल एक काम करो, चैट जीपीटी पे जाओ एंड इसको ये बोलो क्रिएट दिस एड इमेज फॉर मी. एड इमेज का सजेशन आपको मिल चुका है. जो सजेशन मैंने आपको पूरा यहाँ पे दिया है वो पूरा आई विल जस्ट कॉपी मारो एंड जस्ट पुट इट इन द चैट जीपीटी एंड जस्ट से दैट यू नो क्रिएट दिस एड इमेज फॉर मी. So it will start creating the ad image for you. Functions while maximizing value and creating unforgettable experiences.
Guys, today we have learned about the website generation through AI, and with a single prompt this beautiful website has been created for a wedding planner. So like this you have to do practical classes also, you have to do on our own. First of all, subscribe the channel so that you can follow us when we are doing the live classes. Okay, if you have any question you can ask. Seems that there is no other questions are there. Anything you need to ask, you can ask. You can write down in the comment section so that I can give answer. Okay, then today class is over. Okay, good night.